Anti-gravity A1. The anti-gravity A1 transforms aerial filming as the world's first 8K 360 degrees drone. It records every angle without blind spots and keeps the drone invisible in the shot. Weighing only 249 grams, it is light, portable, and still very powerful. With dual lenses placed above and below, it captures stunning, future-ready footage that can easily be reframed and edited into endless cinematic views. When used with vision goggles and a grip controller, it offers a fully immersive flight experience. The drone can be guided through simple hand gestures while looking in any direction in real time. Smart options like obstacle avoidance, auto return, and safety systems ensure smooth and secure flying. More than just a drone, the anti-gravity A1 is a storytelling revolution, turning the open sky into your unlimited creative space and giving you the freedom to create without limits. Artificial womb. An artificial womb is a medical invention that makes it possible for a baby to grow outside the mother's body, a process called extracorporeal pregnancy. These devices are designed to give extremely premature infants a safe and womb-like environment. Inside, the baby floats in a transparent biobag filled with fluid that copies the natural conditions of the uterus. One of the most advanced models is the Extend, which is currently the closest to being tested on humans. It was created by Alan Flake and Marcus Davey at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. In this system, the infant is placed inside a container filled with artificial amniotic fluid, where it can continue to grow and develop. Artificial wombs are seen as a remarkable step forward in neonatal medicine. They could transform the way premature babies are cared for. The future of neonatal care is here, and it is very promising. The Blue Walker 3 satellite marks an important leap in global communication technology. Built to extend internet access across the world, it carries one of the largest commercial antenna arrays ever launched into orbit. This powerful system allows the satellite to connect directly with smartphones on the ground, without requiring extra devices or complex equipment. By doing so, Blue Walker 3 makes it possible to bring broadband service to regions that were once beyond reach. Remote villages, isolated islands, and underserved rural communities can now gain access to reliable internet. This advancement plays a vital role in narrowing the digital divide, helping people everywhere stay informed, connected, and included. The satellite demonstrates how space-based solutions can transform daily life. From education and healthcare to business and communication, improved internet access opens opportunities that were previously unavailable. Blue Walker 3 is more than just a piece of space hardware. It is a step toward a more connected world, showing how technology can unite people and make information accessible to all. The Psionic Neural Sleeve, created in partnership with the Oya Game console team, is a smart wearable designed to help people with mobility challenges such as multiple sclerosis or stroke recovery. This sleeve uses electrode pads that stimulate muscles, along with a neural interface that tracks and analyzes limb movements in real time. By combining advanced diagnostics with functional electrical stimulation, the device works as both a therapeutic and supportive tool, all built into a comfortable, stylish legging controlled through a smartphone app. Its unique read and write neural interface interprets brain signals and directly activates leg muscles with carefully timed stimulation sequences. This helps key muscle groups work more effectively, improving mobility while the system adapts automatically to different activities like walking, sitting, or standing. By preventing the health decline often linked with limited movement, the neural sleeve aims to give independence back to the more than 35 million Americans living with mobility issues. The company was founded by Jeremiah Robinson, who was inspired by his daughter's cerebral palsy diagnosis to develop more advanced alternatives to traditional mobility aids. Computational lithography. Computational lithography is a modern technology used in making computer chips. As circuits on microchips keep getting smaller, it has become harder to print them with traditional light-based methods. This is where computational lithography helps. By using advanced computer algorithms and simulations, engineers can design patterns that look different on a mask but turn out correctly when printed on silicon. It works like an optical trick, bending light in ways that produce sharper and more accurate features. This technology is essential for creating powerful processors used in smartphones, computers, and modern devices. Without it, chip production would not be able to keep up with the demand for higher performance and smaller designs. Though it is a complex process, the idea is simple. Let computers do the calculations that make tiny chip manufacturing possible. Computational lithography shows how mathematics, physics, and software can push technology forward, allowing electronics to keep shrinking while becoming. Time shift cryopreservation facility. Imagine a place where modern science meets the dream of living longer. That's what the time shift cryopreservation facility is all about. It's the first fully developed center designed to preserve life by combining cryogenic technology, biotechnology, and artificial intelligence. Created by longevity expert Dr. Alex Yavanov and molecular biologist Hashim Alguili, this facility is meant to protect not just humans, but also animals, organs, and even endangered species, pushing science further than ever. The process works by slowly cooling subjects to an extreme temperature of -196 degrees Celsius. To stop ice damage, a special mix of cryoprotectants, gases, and electromagnetic fields is used, while AI systems carefully monitor every detail. When revival is needed, advanced electromagnetic techniques bring subjects back. Time Shift also offers upgrades before cryostasis, like gene therapy and cell repair, to increase future survival chances. Cyber Lander. The Cyber Lander is a compact camper designed specifically for the Tesla Cybertruck. Unlike bulky trailers, it folds neatly into the truck bed when not in use. Once deployed, it opens up to reveal a modern tiny home on wheels. Inside, it features a kitchen with a sink and induction stove, a living space that converts into a bed, and even a small bathroom with a shower. Large windows bring in natural light, while smart features like voice control and internet access make it feel futuristic. Despite its small footprint, the Cyber Lander maximizes space through clever design and folding furniture. It is made for people who love adventure but also want comfort while traveling. With the Cybertruck's electric power, the Cyber Lander offers off-grid camping with zero emissions. It combines practicality, technology, and mobility in a unique way, showing how the future of travel could be more sustainable and compact while still far future space travel. Future space travel could completely transform human exploration, taking us far beyond our solar system. In the distant future, humans may journey to other star systems using advanced technologies capable of crossing the vast distances between stars. Ideas like warp drives, which bend space-time, or fusion-powered rockets, providing amazing speed and efficiency, might one day become real. These missions would not only send probes but also carry human crews, requiring life support systems and artificial habitats to sustain them over long journeys, even for multiple generations. Exploration would be driven by curiosity, the search for habitable planets, and the need to ensure humanity's long-term survival. Such missions could turn humans into a civilization spanning multiple stars. This giant step would redefine our place in the universe, turning what once seemed like science fiction into a real, inspiring possibility for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.